In this video, I'll show you how to create AI story videos with Kling AI and turn a simple idea into a complete visual story. First, decide on your story and break it into short scenes. Each scene should have one clear location, action, and purpose. This makes it easier to generate consistent clips and build the story step by step. Next, create your main characters. Decide on their appearance, hairstyle, clothing, age, and other important visual details. Keep these details consistent throughout the story so the characters look similar from scene to scene. Now start creating your first scene in Kling AI. You can use text to video to generate a scene from a written prompt, or image to video if you already have a character or background image. Write a detailed prompt that describes the character, action, environment, camera movement, lighting, and mood. For example, you could create a scene where a young traveler discovers an abandoned house in a forest at sunset. Describe the character walking toward the house, the surrounding trees moving gently in the wind, warm sunset lighting, atmospheric fog, and a slow cinematic camera following behind. Generate the scene and review the result. Make sure the character, movement, background, and mood match your story. Then create the next scene while keeping the important character details consistent. Change only the location, action, or other details required by the story. For longer stories, generate separate short clips instead of trying to create everything in one generation. This gives you more control and makes it easier to replace scenes that don't look right. You can also use different camera shots to make the story more interesting. Use wide shots to establish locations, medium shots for actions, and close-ups for important emotional moments.